Welcome to new video. Today, we're diving deep into septic tank design and function, how it works, how to design it, and the most common mistakes to avoid. Whether you're a student, engineer, or homeowner, this video is for you. First, we discuss about what is a septic tank. A septic tank is an underground chamber made of concrete, plastic, or brick masonry. It is designed to treat domestic wastewater from toilets, kitchens, and bathrooms. Instead of sending waste to a city sewer line, a septic tank treats waste on site and safely disposes of the treated water into the soil. Key points on screen. Used in rural and remote areas. No connection to municipal sewer. Cost-effective wastewater treatment. How does a septic tank work? The tank has an inlet pipe that brings in sewage from the house and an outlet pipe that carries treated water to the soak pit or leach field. Inside the tank, 3 layers form. Sludge, solid waste, settles at the bottom. Scum, fats and grease, floats on top. Effluent, liquid wastewater, stays in the middle. Natural bacteria in the tank break down the solids, reducing volume over time. The clarified liquid exits through the outlet pipe for final filtration in the soil. Septic tank components. A typical septic tank consists of the following components. Inlet pipe, brings in wastewater from the house. Chambers, usually 2 chambers for settling and partial treatment. Partition wall, with an opening 2/3 from the bottom. Outlet pipe, carries treated effluent to soak pit. Vent pipe, releases gases safely outside. The tank should be watertight and placed on firm, level ground. Design guidelines and formula. Here's how you design a septic tank. Design capacity formula. Volume, liters, equals no of users times 150 liters times retention time, usually 2 days. For example, for a 5-person household, 5 times 150 times 2 equals 1,500 liters. Recommended dimensions for 5 users. Length, 2.0 meters. Width, 0.9 meters. Depth, 1.2–1.5 meters. Freeboard, 0.3 meters. Space above liquid level. Minimum slope for inlet pipe, 1 in 100. Manhole covers for cleaning and inspection. Common mistakes in septic design. Here are some of the biggest mistakes people make. Designing without calculating the number of users. Not providing proper slope for pipe flow. No vent pipe, leading to gas buildup. Small tank for large households. No soak pit or leach field. These mistakes cause overflows, foul smells, and costly repairs. Best practices in maintenance. Best practices. Use water-efficient fixtures. Avoid flushing chemicals, oils, or sanitary items. Schedule cleaning every 2–3 years. Keep heavy vehicles away from the tank location. Don't build directly above the tank. Don't ignore bad smells or slow drains. Don't connect rainwater drains to the septic system. If you found this guide helpful, please share it with your fellow engineers, and subscribe for more construction and civil engineering videos.